Hey guys, welcome to the Felicia Queen Squad friend of Patient Manuel.
You're letting them fly in here.
And today we're going to be making this chocolate batter. This is chocolate cake, and I'm very sorry. This lighting is really
I can't let my door open because flies is coming from outside in my house.
I just hate this lighting, so I'm going to turn this on too.
Yeah,
And this lighting is way better now. Come to and we're going to be making this chocolate mix, and this is
Double Fool's cake.
Devil Fool's cake. And Mom is going to tell me the instructions. She's going to be helping me and stuff. And we have eggs. I'm not good at cracking eggs, but I'm going to try to crack them.
The reason why she's using cake mix, she's using cake mix for her video. If you don't know, I have a gourmet treat business where I do my cakes from scratch, including the icing. But for her video, she wanted to use cake mix. It's fun and quicker. So on the next video, I'm gonna bake a cake from scratch where it's already made, and she's just gonna have fun decorating it. And I'm just gonna show you guys bits and pieces how I do the buttercream icing from scratch. And she's going to just have fun decorating her cake with homemade buttercream icing. The cake is already going to be made. But for this video, she's using Double Fool's chocolate cake. And she's going to do it on her own. And I'm going to read the directions. So the first thing, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. The pans, I'm going to get the pans for her.
Yeah, and while you're doing that, I'm just going to say thanks for getting me to 25 subscribers. That is a big deal. But next, and I love you all, and next, let's try to get to 100 subscribers, and I'm going to do a gift card giveaway. And I'm going to give away a Nike gift card and a Starbucks gift card. And let's try to get to 100 subscribers. And all you have to do to enter and try to win is watch 3 of my videos. Subscribe, put notification button, and the ding bell. Then you have to go to my bio or whatever it's called.
Yo, what?
Don't worry about it. And then my bio, I don't know what it's called. I forgot. And then all you have to do is type Felicia Queen Squad and send me a picture of.
You mean the description box?
Yeah,
that's
the description box.
Yeah.
And send me a picture of yourself, and I'll pick 2 people to win this gift card. We'll put a message on it, sign our names, and yeah. Okay.
The giveaway will only be when she reached to 100 subscribers. We might do a gift card giveaway when she reached 50. That's when she reached more subscribers. But thank you guys for supporting her channel. Now let's get started.
Yeah.
I already have the pans with parchment paper and butter spray.
Mm-hmm.
And okay, so you're gonna put the cake mix. Dump this in the bowl. Go ahead.
And dump this whole
Pay
thing.
attention so you
Dump
don't
the whole
waste it.
thing.
Okay. Okay, be careful.
This is how it looks.
So you're gonna mix water. Put it down. So you're gonna mix the water. Well, instead of water, she's gonna have milk. Cause milk, if you're gonna use cake mix, milk kind of helps make the cake more moist. But go ahead and dump your milk.
The whole thing?
Yes.
Okay.
One
I'm
4
gonna do
cups.
the whole thing in, and I'm just gonna move that around.
Don't make a mess. Okay. So then you're going to take your oil, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, dump that. Everything's already pre-measured for.
And dump the whole thing in.
Go ahead. Pay attention. There you go. Sorry guys, I try to teach her to clean as you move along because you don't want to work in a messy kitchen. So we got 3 eggs. So now, hold on. You're going to mix cake mix, water, oil, and egg in large bowl. So go ahead and crack your egg.
I'm so bad at cracking eggs, but I'm going to try.
Go ahead. No shell. Make sure no shell gets in the cake mix.
I did good, actually.
Okay. Now get the other egg.
I'm so surprised. Actually,
Put your shell
good.
up in here. When you finish, pay attention. Not trying to be bossy. This your channel.
Okay. The
Okay.
yolk.
I'm just nervous because I don't want your no shells.
I'm doing
Okay.
better.
Okay, go ahead.
I think there's a.
Oh, Lord.
Oh no, that's just the yolk.
Go ahead. Crack the egg. That's enough. Oh, Belicia. Oh, I hope no shells is in there. So we put the trash in here.
No shells is in here. I just got a shell was in there.
Let me make sure.
There's no shell in there.
Okay. So now she's going to mix it. Go ahead and mix
I'm
it.
usually so bad at cracking eggs. One time my mom got me to crack an egg and the thing just fell in and the yolk just fell all over the floor. And other times I tried to, the shell got in the batter. So actually this time I did pretty good with cracking the egg. So I must have to start baking and cracking more often.
So mix your cake mix good. If you can't mix it good, I'll mix it for you. Okay, I'm going to throw this away.
And this is how it's supposed to look. How it's supposed to look.
Okay, put your tablet down so you won't get no cake mix on it. Okay, go ahead. I don't want to be in the camera because... Okay, go ahead. And keep mixing. You don't have to worry about all of that. We'll show them when it gets in the pan, okay?
Okay.
Don't mess with your tablet. You don't want it to fall.
I think it's kind of getting
Let
perfect.
me see. I'm going to mix it for her. Got to get all the bottom.
Great.
In the pans, put your pan right here.
Okay, we got the pan. Ooh, hot. Oh, it's warm. We got the pan here. And we're going to do a part 2 because we have to let this cool off and put the batter in. You know us.
So we're going to... Okay, I got it mixed. You can mix it one more time if you want.
Wait, I'm going to just mix whole.
No, go ahead.
It's pretty good. So I'm going to just mix it a little bit more because it's basically pretty good as you can
Go ahead,
see.
mix.
No powder.
Mix good.
No nothing.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's perfect. So
you can get ready to... come on.
I just can't wait to look back.
Try not to show my face too much because I look a mess today. So you're going to...
You don't look a mess.
I'm going to go ahead because it's kind of heavy. Because you're going to divide it. Smooth it out with the spoon.
And this is going to be a cream cheese chocolate cake. So basically what I mean is we're going to cook this chocolate batter. Then we're going to cover the whole cake with a limited cream cheese pipe flower design of cream cheese around the cake. And just add that sprinkles, 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 sprinkles. And comment down below if you enjoy my videos on how to make we're going to start doing more.
Now you can take the rest of this and put it in here.
We're gonna start doing more things. Anyways, there's nothing really to put in.
Get it out good.
Get every last bit. Well, not every last bit, because I have to lick the bowl.
You lick the bowl when you finish. And wash it, you know.
More.
Yeah. Give it here.
You do it, because I think
It's kind of hot.
Didn't burn myself, though.
And I'm just going to make sure. Well, before I started doing cakes from scratch, when I was doing cake mixes, I learned to use milk instead of water, and some people use pudding mix too, but I do all my cakes from scratch now. This is just for her channel for fun, and whenever she want to use her easy bake oven, because she do have an easy bake oven.
Yeah, and I saw packets for easy bake oven at Walmart.
Now we're going to open up the oven. You can show them a glimpse. Go ahead. Don't drop it.
This is how it looks.
Be careful.
And I saw packets for Easy Bake Ovens at Walmart.
And
in
I'm
the
gonna hit.
toy aisle. So we should have got them, right?
Yes. So we're gonna set the timer. We already put it in the oven.
For how long?
We're gonna set the timer for 2. Oh, we could have used 8-inch pans too. For 25 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer for 25 minutes.
While I lick the bowl.
25 minutes. Now she could lick the bowl because we don't need it no more.
Mm.
And I'm gonna wash it when she finishes. So we're gonna do 25 minutes.
Okay. Y'all just wait and watch me.
No, we're not gonna let it fume that long. Cause you gotta do a part 2. And I thought it was important for her to do this on her own, even though she still needed my help a little bit for her to, because I don't want to be in control. This is her channel. And it's fun. And if you want to see more cake baking videos, let us know. You can't really comment, but you could comment on my Facebook page, Ernell's Spriggs, or visit my business page, Ernell Gourmet Treats.
And Mom,
25 minutes.
can I start cracking the eggs from now on since I did good?
Well, when we do something for the house, but not for my customers' cake.
Okay.
So, when you get a little bit more better, then you can help me bake my cakes when I have orders. And this is the icing I picked out for her cake. Cream cheese.
Yeah.
Um,
And we're going to use a piping bag to make the flower type of design I want to make.
yes, you could do that.
And we're going to use some sprinkles. Do we still have Peppa Pig sprinkles?
No. So I'm just going to give her some sprinkles if she want to use. I'm going to find some.
Yeah, I really do.
Find some sprinkles for her.
I want to use gold, though.
No, that's for my king cakes. But
Okay.
you could use, I could always get more. Here goes, oh, perfect. Chocolate sprinkles.
Okay.
That's all you need. Okay.
And guys, can I tell her? Can I tell them?
Tell them what?
Go to your page and see the pictures of the things you made for customers that you post.
Yeah, just say Ernell Gourmet Treats.
Oh.
So the timer is on. The oven was already hot. It's real hot
No.
because I was baking. I was chicken for dinner, and we're gonna have jambalaya with smoked sausages and chicken, and I'm gonna do a vegetable, and for dessert is her cake. So we'll be look out for a part 2 where the cake, after the cake cool off, and you can watch her decorate it. Thank you guys for supporting, and be safe. Go ahead, Pumpkin.
Bye.
Peace out.